angeke usinike esingaboni la, ngiyakuthembisa. Guys, welcome back to my channel where we make simple meals using ingredients you already have. Namhlanje sizokwenza i-chicken and bacon pasta. Sizoqala ngokuthosa u-anyanisi wethu no-garlic, bese uyabuya back ufake u-green pepper wakho no-carrot, ukufraye kancane ubuye ufake u-bacon wakho, kufrayeke kancane ubuye uzo-eda i-chicken yakho. I used i-chicken breast ngoba inamathambo. Then-ke ngase ngiyaphinda nga-eda kancane i-biryani mix, i-biryani masala I mean, ngoba ngiyayithanda ipasi zami zasendiya, ngicela ngangijaji. Then for seasoning ngisebenzisa i-6 gun ne-top glass ngoba iyona engihlale nginayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Then-ke ngase ngifaka-ke i-broccoli yami namanzi amancane ngoba bengifuna istimeke. I didn't want it to be fully cooked, bengifuna ibe nanokuyakuhlamzela kancane. Then you set it aside, ubuye back senza i-bechamel sauce manje for ipasta yethu. So you need i-butter and then bese ufaka uflour wakho on very low heat, ukuhlanganise njengoba ngenza usebenzisa i-whisker. Mina-ke bengingenayo, so I just use the electric mixer. Ngamixa and then kwaze kwashuba isosi ibingeve iyinhle i-velvety. Then-ke ngase ngi-eda no cheese. At this point usengisicishile istove. You can use any cheese of your choice, but then ngisebenzise le ebenginayo. Bese uyabuya back naleya mix, ufike ukuhlanganise ndawonye la ku-low heat-ke. At this point ukumixe well, ukumixe kuze kuhlangane. Guys, at this point nje bese kuvele kumnandi nje because I did taste it. You set it aside ubuyizokwenza ipasta yakho. Use a very large pot to cook, njalo isingisi siyabaleka, to cook your pasta ngoba ayizukusticka together. If you do that, save a little bit of that pasta water ukuze uzothi mangabe usuyifudumeza ipasta yakho ubuye futhi uzo-eda yona leya pasta water, ingabi dry pasta yakho. Bese kunjena-ke guys-ke. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. Bye.